This is Master Wonder. Look at all the food of Cyclops.
Look at all these Greeks. I'm going to eat them.
The plan.
I'm kind of liking this movie.
In examining Polyphemus' origins, we found that his name means famous in Greek. He's the son of the gods Poseidon and Theusa, and Polyphemus is a one-eyed giant, also known as a cyclops, which in Greek means round eye. We found that Polyphemus made his living as a shepherd who herded goats and sheep in his cave. He was also thought to have lived on the island of Sicily, and Cyclops in general ate raw flesh of any human and any animal in general. We found that Polyphemus was a giant who made his living herding animals, sheep and goats in his cave. He was also thought to have lived on the island of Sicily, where he feasted on the meat of many animals, including humans. Cyclopses were extremely tall in nature and had tons of muscle. They needed lots of protein to fuel their massive arms and backs. Polyphemus wore a stylish loincloth of a combination of goat and sheepskin. For formal occasions, he would have worn a tunic of similar fabric. Much like this prox card system, Polyphemus had a giant boulder at the mouth of his cave so he'd deter thieves. He could also use the boulder to trap thieves inside once they had found their way in. Once the thieves had made it inside the cave, the boulder could be moved back into place, like these doors were closing, trapping them inside forever. Now when Polyphemus returned home, he found a whole mess of Greeks inside his cave. Now that was a good thing for him, because he could eat for weeks. Now he ate one, he ate two, he ate 6 of them in total before Odysseus took his spear and stabbed him in the eye. Now being a cyclops, he only had one eye. Therefore he was blind, and he couldn't see the Greeks escape, riding on the undercarriages of his flock. Once they got outside, the giant was in a rage, and he told his daddy Poseidon to put a curse on the ship of Odysseus, and he could not get home for many, many more years.
Look around.
No face.
Odysseus.